Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? Alhamdulillah, I'm also good, thank you. Okay, I'm Jannat Chuma. Today I'm going to take your English first paper class. And today I'm going to discuss one unseen comprehension from your Buzzard book. And the comprehension name is The Footprint. For this, you will open page number 77. The story name is The Footprint. It is a story about a man. His name is Robinson Crusoe. You can see here the name. Robinson Crusoe lived all alone on an island in the middle of the ocean. Then suddenly one day he found a friend on the island. So we are going to learn about a man whose name is Robinson Crusoe. So let's move on to our next page. I am going to read out, so everyone look at in your book. At the age of 18, Robinson Crusoe set out on a voyage. Voyage means journey by sea. If someone journey by a sea, he traveled different country, then it's called voyage. He traveled too many countries. His ship was wrecked during one such voyage and he was thrown on an empty island. That means when he was traveling on his boat was sinking, and then he reached out an island. He lived on his island for about 28 years. Okay, students, look at here. He lived on this island for about 28 years. How many years he lived here? How many years? 28 years. 28 years. He managed to build a house for himself. There he made a house, grow some crops and also raise animals. There he grows some crops to live in and raise some animals. His life on the island was full of adventure. 11 years had gone by. My dog was quite old now and the cats was quite old. Cats had produced quite a large family. Now Robinson Crusoe is talking about himself on the island. 11 years, after 11 years on the island, his dog are going to grown old and cats produce too many kittens. The parrot had learned to speak well. His parrot started to talking. I also had a herd of goats to take care of. There are so many goats that he has to take care of. Though I had never milked a cow and certainly not a goat, I managed to learn. At first he didn't know how to milk to cow or goats, but on the island he managed to learn. After much trial and error, I learned how to make butter and cheese. At first he couldn't make butter and cheese, but so many mistakes and trial he made it. I had a lot of fruits in my garden. I was also growing enough grain and making my own bread. He was making his own food because there was no one on the island. I lived like a king in my castle with my family. The goats, then cow, cats, all these animals are his family, and he was living on the island like a king. He was thinking he was a king because there was none other than him. But I still longed for human friends. But he was always wanting to make friends with human. But on the island there was no one. Sometimes I dreamed that I had gone back to London and was walking down the street in my goatskin clothes. Goatskin is kind of clothes. It's made of leather. So sometimes he dreamed that he was going back to his country, London, What a funny sight I would be. I looked like a wild man with a long beard. When he was traveling in his country in London with his goat skin clothes, it was like he was looking like a wild man, and it was funny too. On my head was a big cap made of goat skin. Here was also a cap that is also made of leather skin of goat. It was very tall and without shape. It was very large, tall, but it was not any shape. I wore short, strange things on my feet, which I called buskins. Buskin is kind of boots or shoes that he was wearing. You can see in the picture. I wore a board belt around my waist and had another hanging over my shoulder. Above my head, I carried my great clumsy, ugly umbrella. He was also carrying an umbrella, and my skin had been burnt brown by the sun. When he was walking on the island, because of sun heavy heat, his skin was burnt. Whenever I was weather was fine, I went over to the other side of the island to look my canoe. Canoe is kind of small boat. Canoe is kind of small boat. If he feels the weather on the island is good, then he go to see this boat. I had built a canoe. I wanted to leave the island and go to the land I had seen at a distance. On the island, he has seen a place. He wants to go there. So for this he made a boat. Its name was canoe. I thought there were human beings on the island. He was thinking, whatever the place he was seeing, it was a place full of human. He was thinking it was just his imagination. One morning, as I was going to the canoe, a strange thing happened. One morning, he was going to a canoe and to his boat. Something happened that was strange. I had taken a few steps when I stopped dead. He took some step, then he stopped like a dead man. He couldn't move. There in front of me was a human footprint, heel toes, every part of a foot, and much larger than mine. When he was taking some footstep, he saw some footprint. This footprint was full of hints like a human footprint. So he was shocked. I stood like one who had seen a ghost. He was standing like there. He has seen a ghost. He was afraid. How could be there is a human print? Because on the island there was none other than him. I looked around and listened. I went to the top of a little hill to look further. He was ahead a little few steps to see what was there. Then I walked up and down the shore. I saw no other prints, but he saw no other prints. He was seeing only one footprint. I came back to look once more at what I had seen. Was I dreaming? He was thinking it was a dream. I looked at the footprint closely. Yes, there are in the sand was the print of a man's foot. When he was looking on the footprint again and again, he was clear that it was a footprint of a man, human being. I was not dreaming. How did it come to be there? He was not dreaming. So he was thinking, how did it come to there in the island? Who was he? How did he get there? It was thinking in his mind. I was so frightened that I did not go to the canoe. I turned and went back to my castle as fast as I could. So he was so much frightened. He was afraid that he back to his home, his house, as soon as possible. As I walked, I kept looking behind me because I imagined that every bush and tree was a man. He was thinking that when he was walking back to his home, he was thinking that there are so many human beings was looking at him. but actually there was none. I shut myself as quickly as I could and began to get ready to protect myself from the stairsman. He was so much afraid that when he came back in his house, so he shut himself because he was afraid. Next page. That night I could not sleep. I lay in my hammock and thought. Hammock is a kind of bed made of cloth. So it was his bed. It's called hammock. When he was lying on his hammock or on his bed, he was thinking, this stranger had come perhaps from the land that I had seen far across the sea. So he was thinking that maybe the footprint or the person that he saw, it could be the person from the island that he was seeing before. He was thinking to go there from this island. Perhaps he had come to the island alone. Maybe the person or the footprint he saw of the person, maybe he was alone. That's why he saw one footprint. Perhaps he had come with many others of his kind, but where was he now? So he was thinking, where was the man? I was so afraid that I did not step out of my castle for 3 days and nights till there was no food left. So he was that much afraid that he was shut himself in the house for 3 days. How many days? 3 days and nights. Then I had go out in search of food. I crept softly down my fields. Crept means move slowly. He was searching food in the field and he was moving slowly. Every sound made me start and look around. When he heard a sound, he looked around to saw what was that. I lived for days like someone who was afraid of his own shadow. He was living in the island like when he saw his own shadow, he is afraid. He was thinking that there must be some ghost or anything that is looking at him. Okay, question answer. Number 1 question. Who is telling the story? The footprint. Answer. Robinson Crusoe is telling the story. The footprint. Number 2. Who were part of Crusoe's family on the island? Dog, cats, parrot, herd of goats, cow, garden, etc. were part of Crusoe's family on the island. Number 3. What did Crusoe dream about? Crusoe dreamed about he had gone back to London and was walking down the street in his goatskin clothes. Number 4. Where was Crusoe going when he saw the footprint? Crusoe was going to the canoe when he saw the footprint. Okay, everyone, start writing. And Robinson Crusoe spent 4 years on the island. Is it true or false? Robinson Crusoe spent 4 years. How many years did he spend? False. Then write here. Okay, then write here false. Okay, number 2. He was not frightened to go to the canoe. True or false? He was not frightened to go to the canoe. False. False. He was afraid. So it is false. Okay, next. Number 3. At the age of the 18, Robinson Crusoe set out on a voyage. True or false? At the age of 18. True. It's true. Okay, right here true. True. Number 4. Crusoe felt fear once seeing the footprint. It's true. He was afraid like death. Number 5. Soon after he reached his castle, Crusoe shut himself up. It's also true. He was shut himself in his house like 3 days and nights. So students, The footprint, it will be your today's lesson. You will read thoroughly this chapter and you will memorize fill in the blanks, question answer and this true false. Okay students, that's all for today. Allah Hafiz.